Una come good, and una she don't find country people. We'll start with same story for today. Same story for today. Bele, the one cause food, say the overworker. And you forget, say that worker for food, they make it the chop. Bele, the one cause food, say it the overworker. They forget, say that worker for food, they make it the chop. Thank you plenty, Samuel Nkondu, for answering support the country people. Then, Bafon Chan, Tata Ephraim, Mutinji, Edison, level, Marwa support them for this matter. Then, we not going to talk with the country people. Then, answer this matter. Dépendant omnisport, nouvelle route des country people them. Opposite président Galès école il faudra s'aider. Dans c'est pour bac puis on commence officier Bekima for the two country people it can happen now. Now wonderful palava when a gendarme de camp for the broke house come out 17 women, 17 femmes, 17 women with the sequestrate them inside house for security palava njangi money na for table. Country people de unasiam. I said, that woman that I said, Coran Rouge, this woman, Madame Njole, yes, Madame Njole, épouse Nancy, Stephanie, country people them. And I get them. Almost time for day, same I don't know if you talk. You don't lock all that woman in the house. They begin for contribute money in a motor this and that motor, put macaron for lawyer for they talk, say the lawyer. All man is after they call say maître, we maître. After the country I say, na zero avocat, zero lawyer country people then. I said that one a usurpation of title. So what happened for them? The Njangi be supposed to come out 769,000. Ekal has come out now only 713,000. The woman said, no, jamais. For Sika Palava 50 kolo. And he said, go lock up a look am. Wonderful matter, gendarme de camp for day, look am, gendarmerie nationale de for day, all them which commandant for be panel, look at the cardinal, the Scotch cardinal. God outing before they come out to them for the so country people them. Wonderful matter where they do outing sing gang, wonderful continue come take place. Look at the one now, the woman they come also direction, the panda gendarmerie brigade at 3 o'clock for night. So look the woman all them for that side too. I say the woman that for brigade gendarmerie, the woman that Madame Jolene Nancy Stephanie that for épouse. Yeah, Madame Jolene épouse Nancy Stephanie, yes, Madame Jolene épouse Nancy. That so and take over that say don't sequester 17 women inside house for second Jangi money contribute for day now for brigade the big that day for the tourist matter too another brigade doing kappa with 3 people in the day where they catch them now since Thursday night we then lock these people lock this I mean they carry taxi come out for Douala here take and go Bomono day for back Shifri Bomono Bambenge now for them now where they tie they take this cable where they use and make trap for bush they call them for French say cab appiège Taille Mafani, PM for Babas and for Omnisport Day, Mafani Francis, Taille 6 taxi, Corolla Sang, Vamos with them country people them. So don't catch 3 now, the number 4, see the run with the motor the same. How it is so school don't resume back from Mother Teresa today. They don't open dormitory back from Mother Teresa College Bona today. So this morning time, it happened since Thursday night, breaking Friday. Students then fight for day. Between Cameroonians and Equatorial Guineans and for they will treat a knife come out. Oh man, plenty people plenty been a Sanja war for that say all that one will not get time for 4 o'clock Balua News for Equinox Television country people. They would all image them. Now Papa Lele. Remain for Bonaberry Day, talk about this palaver from Dobo. Actually take place on Dobo Day. The thief small picking for 2 years old Vamos Utam. Ese na laila la tatala. Na this, unasia. Na big sister this, they did them too. This one will do with his most another is most studies contribute them. So woman can't say, je suis l'ami de votre mère. He say, oui, tata. Una come, I go give una bonbon. I go buy una bonbon for boutique. They don't come out this now, so he left picking for day. Leave this girl for that boutique now. 8 ton back. After the service, picking that bonbon with biscuit and chocolate. The woman take Tokyo. Vamos with that small picking for 2 years with Ikadam. So thief and for that said, to take and reach now. Now 1 week this one pass with the final. They need to see them. And around that Saturday for on top of right day, where all things just take place, we talk about them for these matters. We just cry, and I saw the return. Also, the girl can show the store, the boutique will be there for day. Look, I'm seeing, he can show the boutique will be there for day for talk about this matter in so country. people them na so situation take place so they find that small girl command that tonton so et va most no sabi usa pikin dey usa wait if you take pikin na we don't take that pikin na the reboot trouble that we talk so country people them madam doc mo Marie Chantal hey be mommy for this small girl pikin where they find am so if una see am for una corner house country people them una make a made sabi alhamdulillah country people this matter now talk about this fire will be born for Kiferu so they don't start enquete for day and they talk say so extended I'm say fire extinguisher not be there for that time, for that big place, that time country people there. Police and gendarmerie they make enquete for day before we go show an image this evening time for Equinox News about all the bilan and things that will happen for day when I see that day for that fire. Now so the fire be born for close to 2 hours. This Friday we pass so country people them. Then pass mark na Kiferu douche municipal for Akwaye. Sapeur pompier be comment ngodi. Other one they come out bus I mean, this place can say port authorities. Other one they come out airport for Douala. Yes, contribute them. The other one they say become a camera again. Come they can quench these fires when I get so. Wonders and wonderful palavers come to take place. Anything that happen, the world that get down for years so country people them. See as things happen. Time matter 5 years the pump so pass mark for this so country people inside all this situation the way they be talk about them for this chapter for years so wonderful palaver them. For day, as if fire burn. Other one they say this so they do na well drained. So do. Other one they say na over cutting lights. Na they cut the massa. So sapeur pompier they work with their own camp. And say the matter succeed for quenching fire after it don't pass 2 hours for the so country people them. We go talk inside this matter. See as population day. All man may try for help sapeur them for do as if you do now for say make the quench the fire for keep douche the country people them. We go for Douala 3e now. We don't decide now. Now say so people they don't abandon their national identity card. People they work and don't get card national identity we dey for inside commissariat plenty. 10,000 card d'identité for inside commissariat then for 3 wonderful palaver. Now they do la livraison à domicile like this. Look at I said all commissariat then for 3e they contribute them. Identity card don't plenty pass mark. Then we say sous-préfet decide now say no. He says they go down for field. What you can commander and Monsieur le Maire. What I do as if you do for divide them all, go say the quarter by quarter and quarter by quarter for divide all the identity card them for people. Now 1 week operation, 1 week incorporate for any quarter, but they can't now, can't do it, can't take their ID card, any person to the worker table and say they must get their identity card because one day you go start again for the check because stop motor, the control ID card for people that if you don't get and they bring you down one time, either you make up because in Kunkuma for it you don't talk say Nanjo, so they do all things forget the ID card the way don't be in job so country people them. Younger. We remain now for the littoral area from Mangamba. This problem Mangamba, another side around Mankulan for place to where they call them for this in a route for this Besunkang Day, Sute Gorish place to call say Ewodi Day, Mangamba, na village today where inside 500 population we did. I say not up to 10 local identity card. Wonderful palaver for security road surface bad for the inside this matter then way they so no have lithium a pube do all things me give for the ID card for the 90s. Say road Mangamba for enter here you do work as enter now the only post to the police is when they on my do ID card. They bring people they make a come side by side can do ID card for your country put them. And so this man look at the only policeman is maybe commissaire, maybe element, maybe chef, maybe all thing. And so they do, and so they bring photograph now from time to time from Suzada side there and on Konsamba, make us snap picture, they make ID card for people on that side there. Then they complain say road no fine for people they for go for day. Inside this Mangamba place, a wonderful kind bad road as soon as they get time for all this issue them. Look, road for this kind issue them for years for country people them. As they talk about and so the situation come, it take place so wonder as soon as get time so for year country people them. Kind by kind thing them for inside them and Mangamba villages where they struggle up they even toss they want for the make ID card to do it. They send for register for vote inside the matter them. So they say road no face day for them. We see the image so and so they talk about them for this matter and so country people then will talk about road so and then this Mungo division oh man He complained to for back, pick up, and he did walk away. The person one time said, look, wrote for them. One task, I say, wonderful power for this country. People not so the matter, come they take place. So, as you see, now so on rap Lydian et Poubet. Decide now, say, no go live in village people, and so do all now. Make the day fine for your country. People inside this kind of matter with IT card, they have to feed get time for this kind of issue. The way my media suffer past mark now before they try for get time for this country. People so and so be so for this kind of issue them for IT card the way they talk about them for years. So we go now talk to this so chapter. I remember so 3 days made a lock, made a stop for register people them for a Lekam list. But now the workers waiting for inside cry die. I said the workers go can get place them for register for them. Inside veiller, wonderful thing. Play they make cry. Funeral ceremony or even wake keeping. Wonderful matter like this. I said I cry this for Yaoundé the way some big doctor he die. Make it happen. People in the day they sing die but they for day. I say come from the day. Now for day with they can't shoot down. They say when una finish cry, après avoir pleuré, una can't write on a name. So registration inside cry die. Wonderful matter. Yes, even for church they do one. Market they run on a small things, but for place to cry. They like say if you enter inside mutual, say for register for the inside mutual for this country people. Then matters na sitting they happen for this one. Then if you intercept inside mutual for Ndumeji Bobede, register people for the do can thing as if it they happen inside this matter in so country people them. Now so the situation they happen. Now so it's the matter they happen for. It's so they talk about for your country people them about this issue and they palaver them. We remain for Yaoundé talk about Mimbo Man. After they be kill people from Mimbo Man, they don't make church, make prayer for this. Who Marie-Thérèse Abena, when a minister for woman empowerment and family don't go visit the people, they family them for Mimbo Man Day. Now it is. They also cry. So this will happen. They say nothing forget her easily. Making they don't die. Sister they don't die, boy don't die. Now a place where they be kill them, keep them. Jakara they are so yeah them, do all things with them, finish with them now, dump them for the country people them. As they talk about them for all these kind of issues, so can so they go make prayer now for church, pastor, pater, and then even this for them. So Marie-Thérèse Abena be telling now, wait, this other people they talk about and say which show the tear, Yampen Usmanu day for Yaoundé 2, for that matter so country. People, I mean, Yaoundé for this one, as well thing they can take place when they talk about answer all this issue them for all the house them for this same chapter and the housing situation them for this country people them. So they shouldn't now they make prayer now talk about all the chapter and the chapter how we things and come they take people so they cry for the soul. Now this more under to be getting for who now for this matters country people them will talk now. See this will come up for all the details them again this afternoon 4 o'clock French and English 6 o'clock we mean for good day 8 o'clock now it will be for French day. Sense to the BCWT Bele the one laugh food say the overworker they forget say now overworker for that food they make it the chop. Thank you Samuel Kondo and all the other one for Marwade Babachi the country people them. Thank you, Bule Steph. Thank you to this one, Papis Kudiwin. We talk thank you to Vashtis and Mukube Robert for Bunaberi. We talk to Innocent Peka, Dr. Daret and for Stefan Nonga for that side the country people them. Nadim Kube, Naime Kufes Shine. Instead of matter for this country people them. Thank you, so sincere, we must talk. Eze. Ekule Kui Funasima back. Maybe say Bele the front. Bye bye.